Hi guys, thanks for joining us, and today we're going to be doing chicken stock, and I've got a bit of a watery eye today, so apologies about that. A little bit red, a little bit sore. I think there might be something crawling around in there, like a little gremlin. Chicken stock. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we're going to put this little cloth down, dampened it, and we're going to put that down there, and then we're going to put our chopping board on top of that. Okay, now we've got a big pan, quite a big pan. That's going to go just onto there because we're going to start putting all of our little bits and pieces inside here, okay? So the first thing we're going to put in is our chicken carcass from our chicken roast dinner that we did. Okay, so in here it's going to go in like the rest of the body and just that part of the chicken. We've got some leaves from cauliflowers that we've used. We've got some broccoli stem. Get that into there. We've got cauliflower stem. Get that into there. We've got leaves. We've got some bit more cauliflower stem. That's going in as well. Okay, so all of that's got into there. So this onion we've already chopped up because I made a bit too much onion the other day, so I put that into a bag, put it in the fridge, and that's what I had there. And also with the carrots, I just cut a few too many carrots. So you don't have to cut the carrots up that much, or you can if you want. You could just do them quite chunky. Like all your veg could be the same size as that, quite a big chunky size. It doesn't have to be too little. Okay. We want to add some herbs. If you've got fresh herbs, then great. I haven't, so you could either if you've just got like the cheap mixed herbs, that's absolutely fine. You could just sprinkle that in, or you could use herbs like actual herbs like parsley or whatever. So I'm gonna put some parsley in there. I'm gonna put some thyme in there as well, and some rosemary. Okay, now that is all in there. And I'm also going to put a little bit of a pinch of black pepper. If you've got solid peppercorns, that will work better. I haven't. I've just got normal ground pepper, so that's just going to go in there. And I'm just going to do a little pinch of salt, okay? So that's everything in there. And now what I'm going to do is just fill it up with water as much as I can. Okay, so that's covered everything. Okay, so I've just put 6 litres in there. That's covered everything. So now I'm going to put this onto the hob. I'm going to bring it to a boil. When it starts to boil, I'm just going to put it down to like a low medium heat, and I'm going to let it simmer and like half boil for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. So I'm going to get down to the hob now. Our chicken stock now, so we've got another saucepan here. I've got a wire rack which is going to stop my other saucepan from burning this, and I've got a strainer or a drainer. Pour in all of this stock into there, okay, and hopefully not get it open myself. And that's just going to go to one side. So then in here is our chicken stock. So it's really good, it's really light, it's really easy to taste, and you can taste all of those flavours from all of the herbs and everything inside there. So now you can make this into whatever you want to do. You can add it to other dishes, you can use it as a base for a stew, you could use it for a casserole. There's loads of things you can do. What you would normally put an OXO cube into, this is what can go in its place. Thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, then you can hit us up on Facebook and Instagram, and also subscribe to us on YouTube. Thanks guys, see you later, bye bye.